Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we learned the poet was young. What he think that he thought that the water is came from the kitchen sink, but he was an older. He know that what he knows the water comes from the rain and snow. The water is waiting in the sky, in the clouds when it falls it flows along. Sarah इकट्ठा करके जा रही है and splashes out a watery song. A splashes, what is the meaning of splashes? Falls noisily on a surface. हम लोग को surface का और terrace का और दूसरा कुछ का tin sheet का सब ऊपर गिरने का टाइम क्या होता है? It make a sound, splashes sound, है ना? It splashes out a watery song as each raindrop is joined by more and rushes to the ओशन शोर. वो सारा इकट्ठा करके ये कहाँ पहुँचता है? ओशन शोर और टू ए लेक, ए ब्रूक, ए स्ट्रीम. ओके, ओशन शोर में, ओशन में सी में पहुँचता है, अदरवाइज से लेक में, अदरवाइज से ब्रूक. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ब्रूक? ब्रूक इज ए स्मॉल रिवर. ओके, अदरवाइज से स्मॉल रिवर में पहुँचता है, अदरवाइज इट इज ए स्ट्रीम. What is the meaning of stream? Stream is a small narrow river. A stream and brook is a small river. Brook is a small river and stream is a small narrow river. Okay, so these raindrops are joined each other and they rushes to the ocean shore, lake, brook or a stream. Okay, see the next line. From which it rises just like a steam. While it is down here, what do you think? Some dust go to the kitchen sink. See, from which it rises just like a steam. वो rises, हम लोग पानी को boil करने का टाइम आप देखा है steam जा रहे है ना. But while it is done here, what do you think? Some dust go to the kitchen sink. Okay, so this one is the poem. This is the last poem ours. See, I will repeat again. When I was young, I used to think that water came from the kitchen sink, but now I am older and I know that water comes from rain and snow. It stays there waiting in the sky, in clouds above our world so high, and when it falls, it flows along. Okay, and splashes out a watery song as each raindrop is joined by more and rushes to the ocean shore or to lake, a brook, a stream, from which it rises just like a steam. Okay, and but while it is down here, what do you think? वो नीचे आने का टाइम what do you think? ये steam ऊपर गया, फिर then they come down and down here some dust go to the kitchen sink. Clear? So this lesson over and see the comprehension. Choose the correct option. When the poet was young, she thought that what came from. When the poet was young, she thought that what came from. What came from? It is in the kitchen sink. Kitchen sink से आ रही है. Then next one, see. Second one. Now she knows that water comes from. अभी इसको क्या जानता है? The water comes from the rain and snow. Okay, the water comes from the rain and snow. Third one, which sound word is used to describe the sound of rainwater? The sound of rainwater, which sound is say that splash, splash. Okay, here we write the falls noisily on surface, that is a splash, the rainy sound. The poet says rainwater rushes to the ocean shore. Clear? So this lesson over and our portion, the first semester portion over. Okay, so everyone read and learn it. Thank you.